Hey guys, well I got a little special treat today. I am at my friend's place. She has invited me down to her old orchard and we are picking apples and making apple cider. So she got a pretty awesome press and all these trees along here, fully loaded, go all the way down her laneway. So we're just heading back up to get the second round of apples. I think she said they were Macintosh we're picking right now, but it's pretty cool. Love this free apple and very grateful she's invited me down. So I'll show you the process as we go through picking apples and pressing them. There's a nice wheelbarrow full of apples we've got here. We're just picking the ones up off the ground first because they should be nice and sweet. Lots of them there. Here's the next tree here we'll be picking. Nice and loaded. And my sister-in-law is here to help me. She's doing the work right now. So we'll go shake this tree. Okay, show us, Paula, how it's done. How do we pick apples? She loves being on video, she said. We're just gonna do it, give it a little shaky shaky. That's not much of an effort. We'll give her a... There we go. And as they fall down, we'll pick them up and load. Okay, here we go. We got a nice, another wheelbarrow full. This is, I think, the fifth or sixth one. Headed back. Go press more apples. Yum, yum, yum.
Well, I'm happy with them, you know, going to a far tree, that's okay too, but, you know, for us, it's a little bit different.
So now we've got lots of apples in here, so I'm just going to take this down, press these guys down so we compact it a bit. Juice is coming out and we haven't even started pressing. Already like a gallon in there.
Okay, so John, that orange thing
Goes on.
orange side down?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you! And then, whoa. Okay, so now squish it with your hands.
First, okay.
Yeah, and you've got to go down as level as you can.
All right.
Okay, that's fine. That's good enough.
Okay.
Then you want to put the jack on. Candle. I'm
Okay.
hoping that'll slide right in there anyway. It does, because you got to get it in far enough that it'll go inside the barrel. But
Okay.
Anyway, we'll just do what we can.
Oh, because you want that sort of centered out as well, right?
Okay, so take the top nut off of here and bring the other nut up
We
with
need
it.
that one. Oh, yeah, we're gonna take both off, I guess, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Just right up the top. Okay, stopping probably there.
Okay.
We have to line this thing up, make it as square as possible in here, and I'm going to let you eyeball that again.
Okay.
I put this thing on because it was the jack. Okay, it goes right up. So your other end. Yep. Way on. Okay.
That looks pretty good there.
Now, what I do so that I don't have to screw the nuts down so far, because that takes time.
Yeah.
Because I put a block and then center that thing as well, so that okay. So you lift up one side, I'll lift
Yeah.
up the other. Okay, we gotta go up higher. Are we hooked on something? No.
No, I think just jammed. Just a sec. Can you come down a bit on my side? Oh,
No,
right
it's
there.
okay. We're under. I just want to put this down. It has to be centered though, so it's too close to you. Center the whole block. Now we have to screw this.
it starts
The press
tipping.
plates are tipping. It's a really
Yeah.
bad idea.
I think it looks okay right there.
This is pretty level.
Once we get going, we can sort of adjust
Yeah,
it.
have I got this level now? Okay, so what you can do the other side, save yourself some time, is just grab it and push. Okay, good enough. Yep, and then I don't know. Yep, definitely. That's okay. That should be plenty. So I'm looking for level.
That looks pretty good right there.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. I think I tightened this up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just go slowly at first, I guess.
Yeah, just go slowly and see what happens. Make sure your thing's going down as flat as you can. So I usually do 2 jack extensions. So go all the way to the end of the extension of the bottle jack. Release it.
Yeah.
Put those blocks over there underneath.
Right.
And do it again.
Okay. Oh, look at the goodness coming out, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's like the end. So then how do you release it? You just turn the... Yeah, just so it presses everything out.
Model what you got.
Okay.
Because the next press will probably press it a lot more.
Do you happen to have a funnel? I was going to bring one I forgot to.
What do I do? Where do I do this? Yep, you can do that for sure.
There.
Okay,
That
if you press the jack again, it will overshoot your jug, and that's
All right.
the thing you've got to be a little bit.
Okay, you know, that's misunderstood not listening.
Well, you
What
can
do you-
hold it there, or
That is just that.
yeah, that bucket can be getting. What do you call it? Sunrise. There you go. Might work for you. I'll leave it here.
Yeah, sure. There we go. First 4 liters. Sweet. So while this is draining, I'm going to fill up some containers here. There you go, look at that. That's some nice color in that. Look at that. It's amazing how much juice is present. It keeps coming out. So here we go, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 4-liter jugs of cider pressed there. And another smaller one here. So we will be taking those home. But before we do, we're going to run up to the top there and pick a bunch of apples. Okay, so we've finished all up pressing the apples for today because it's a lot of work. So now I'm just going to go down and pick some of the Macintosh apples that are ready here. And if all goes well, I'll come back in a few weeks and try to get some of the spies and some of the red delicious apples. But look at them all. So many all the way down the lane right here. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little video on pressing apples. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to share my videos around. See you out there, guys. Happy gardening.